Song by SkullyYT. Playing guitar to do this. Has a good beat. So let's get in it. I've walked the yards from dawn to dark, swung the hammer, helped the mark. Seen the rain come horizontal off the glide. I've all trampled the length of our dials. In snow and frost and summer's heat, and every step I take is on your side. I've slept in hearts by the motorway, counted the nights and counted the day. Wondered if I'll ever see your door again, but I've got a promise carved in stone, written deep inside my bones. I'll be coming home, I'll be coming home again. When the bell rings out in glesga and the west wind blows softly, there is not a place on this wide earth that means a single thing to me across the sea. And every night and every day, and I walk 100 miles and more to stand right here outside your door. When the bell rings out in Glasgow, that's where my heart will always be. I've stood and watched at the palaces, heard the parlor and the lovely bass, seen the sun go down behind the tenement grave. I've waited for the last bus home, or killed and prayed out on my own, wishing all the while, oh, that you were here to stay. Say goes out where the money's good. Go build your life in London town, where the streets are paved with silver and with gold. But they don't know the sound I hear when the bells ring loud and sharp and clear, saying something. Come on home, you've been away too long, my soul. When the bell rings out in Glasgow, and the west wind blows so free, there is not a place in this wide earth that means a single thing to me. I cross the sea and climb the brae, through every night and every day. I'd walk 100 miles and more to stand right here outside your door. When the bell rings out in Glasgow, that's where my heart will be. Did you like that? Thanks if you did.